This car proves you don't need to scream to dominate. It commands absolute respect with pure silence, effortless presence, and quiet confidence as this stunning 2026 Bentley Continental GT in elegant Tourmaline Green emerges slowly from the misty dawn on a dramatic coastal cliff, while the camera performs a low-angle orbit to reveal the intense, crystal-detailed single-oval LED matrix headlights glowing softly, the long sculpted hood stretching forward aggressively yet refined, the wide athletic stance planted firmly, and the graceful flowing roofline catching the first rays of golden sunrise light, reflecting off the deep metallic paint, even when standing completely still on a luxurious grand driveway at Twilight. It exudes an unmistakable, powerful yet sophisticated presence, wide, muscular, utterly commanding as the camera tilts dramatically up from ground level to capture the full iconic silhouette, zooms intimately into the bold new grille and piercing headlights, smoothly tracks along the sharply sculpted body lines, catching beautiful sunset reflections on massive polished alloy wheels, and pans slowly across the refined, elegant rear LED taillights glowing warmly at dusk. Step deep inside where the extraordinary cabin envelopes you in pure bespoke extravagance with hand-stitched premium leather and quilted patterns, genuine open-pore wood veneers, polished bright metal accents, the famous signature Bentley rotating display rotating seamlessly from touchscreen to classic analog gauges, deeply contoured seats that heat, cool, ventilate, and massage, surrounded by premium Naim audio system and warm ambient lighting. Under the hood pulses the revolutionary plug-in hybrid Heart, a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with electric motor delivering up to 72 PS in speed or 671 HP in base azure. As the hood opens, the car launches in slow motion with headlights piercing ahead. Side tracking on winding roads shows perfect grip and adaptive suspension, cruises effortlessly on highways toward horizon, carves mountain passes in golden hour, glides silently in electric mode through city nights with blue glows. V8 engages for massive torque, wheels spin in close-up acceleration, full orbit around the car parked before luxury mansion emphasizes exclusivity, overtakes rivals on open roads, glows in orange sunset coastal cruises, gets dramatic misty-tailed grille close-ups, departs with glowing taillights into scenic distance, completes slow 360 orbit of every refined angle, and accelerates powerfully toward dramatic dusk horizon because the 2026 Bentley Continental GT isn't just a vehicle, it's quiet dominance redefined, a masterpiece of breathtaking luxury, revolutionary hybrid performance with 3.1 second 0-60 in speed, timeless British craftsmanship, starting around $250,000 and worth every penny for ultimate success and refinement.